In the November 2019 issue of Hornby magazine, Mike Wilde adopts a different approach for installing digital sound for an O-gauge Class 40 by using Hornby's twin-track sound decoder. At this point, it should be noted that TTS decoders must not be installed direct to O-gauge locomotives. We've used a suitable large-scale decoder for the motor control. The TTS decoder is incorporated separately, using just pickups to provide digital sound only, along with a new larger speaker too. Our initial installation in Hellian's Class 40 features a lens decoder for motor control and combined with the TTS decoder cost around £100 all in. All the necessary sounds are there, plus control of the roof fan and independent lighting options for each end of the locomotive. As you can hear, the final result is impressive. The 40 was soon put to the test on Hornby magazine's O-gauge office test track, hitting a lengthy rake of hopper wagons, demonstrating its impressive sound capability. Having proved the concept for the Class 40, Mike's also adopted the same setup in Hellian's recently introduced Class 37-4. And for Hellian's Class 20. Plus, Hellian's Class 31, seen here negotiating Mike's O-gauge garden layout, with outstanding results. You can follow the whole installation process in the November 2019 issue of Hornby magazine.